In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if a website is made on Wix. Maybe you're researching what platform a competitor is using, or you're just curious about how a particular site was built. Either way, by the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly spot whether a site is running on Wix, even if it doesn't obviously say so. First, open the website you want to check in your browser. It could be any public site you can visit, like a portfolio, an online store, or a small business page. Once the page is fully loaded, we'll start with the quickest and easiest clue, the URL. Look closely at the domain name in the address bar at the top of your browser. Free Wix websites often use a very specific format that makes them easy to recognize. They typically look something like username, wixsite.com site name. The most important part to notice here is the middle section, wixsite.com. If you see that in the URL, you can be completely sure the site was built using Wix, because that's the default domain structure Wix provides on its free plan. This check takes just a second, and for many sites, that's all you need. If the URL looks like a custom domain, such as mybusiness.com, don't worry, we have more ways to confirm. The next place to look is the footer of the website. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Many Wix sites, especially those on free plans, show a small message there. It might say something like, powered by Wix, or this website was built on Wix. If you see wording like that, it's another clear sign the website is using Wix. Just keep in mind that on paid plans, site owners can usually remove this branding, so the absence of that message doesn't automatically mean it's not Wix. If the URL and footer don't give you a clear answer, the last method is to look behind the scenes at the page's source code. Right-click anywhere on the page where there isn't an image or a link and choose View Page Source. This will open a new tab or window full of code that your browser uses to display the page. Inside this page, press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac to open the search box. Now type in Wix and see if it appears. You can also search for wix.com or static parastorage.com. If you find these terms in the code, that's a strong indication the site is built with Wix, because those references come from Wix's own infrastructure and assets. And that's it. With these simple checks, you can quickly tell whether a website is made on Wix.